And hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Josie. General Chow's chicken sounds familiar? This recipe is named after Zhuo Zongtang, Qing Dynasty, a statesman and a military leader. This dish is made with battered crispy chicken tossed in a sweet and spicy sauce. So if you want to make this recipe, then keep watching! And here are ingredients. I have 1 chicken breast, salt, white ground pepper, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking soda, Shao Xing wine, 2 egg whites, and olive oil. With the Shao Xing wine, I can put a link below so you know where to get it. But if you're nearby Oriental store, then you can get it from there or you can get it online. Now, we're going to slice our chicken. So I'm going to show you how to cut this. We're going to cut it diagonal, okay? Like this way. Like that. And one more time here. Then, we're going to strip it, just like that, and dice it. Now we're going to mix all our ingredients in our chicken. So now we're going to put in the salt. We're going to put in our ground pepper, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking soda, our wine, and egg whites. Now we're going to mix it. I'm going to use my hand. I already washed my hands. So carefully mix them together. Now if you think that it's too dry, you can add a little bit of water. And if you think it's a little runny, then you can add a little cornstarch. So just keep mixing until everything are all incorporated in the chicken. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit of oil, okay? That's good. And mix it again. So it should be like this. So this is the consistency that you're looking for. Not runny, but not dry, okay? So now I'm going to set it aside and we're going to heat up our pot with oil. While we're preheating our pot with the oil, we are going to make our sauce. First, we are going to pour in our chicken broth, our soy sauce, our dark soy sauce. If you don't have dark soy sauce, you can just use the light soy sauce. It's just not gonna be that dark when you make the sauce. Our oyster sauce, our sugar. So mix it. Rice vinegar. Shao Xing wine. Mix it. And lastly, we're going to put a little bit of cornstarch. So just mix it well. Make sure that cornstarch is all dissolved. Now I have 2 dried chili here. We're going to remove the seeds. If you don't want spicy, then you don't have to put this, but it's not really spicy. It gives like a sweet flavor. Then you can cut it this way. Then now we're going to put this in our mixture here. Mix it. Okay, our oil is nice and hot. It's around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to fry this chicken one by one, okay? Okay, so now it turns golden brown, lightly golden brown. We're gonna remove it. Put it in here. We're going to refry our chicken. That way we're gonna have crispy chicken on the outside and it's gonna be juicy or soft in the inside. So we gotta wait until it's a little bit darker than the way it was. And then we're done with our chicken and we're gonna make our sauce. Okay, now let's take out our chicken. Now let's put in our butter. And you could put in some of your garlic, the ginger, the rest of your garlic, and your scallion. So just keep stirring it for about a minute. Then we can add in our mixture. So we're gonna wait until our sauce is thickened, then we will add in our chicken. Okay, keep stirring your sauce because it's starting to get thick. Then now we're gonna add in our chicken back. Make sure everything is coated with the sauce. Okay, we are done. Here we go, folks. No more takeout. General Chow's chicken. Looks good, right? Let's try it. Toast. Cheers. Delicious. You gotta make this. Ta-ta for now.